In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events visible right inside a Notion page, so you can check your schedule without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your calendar. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From there, go to the Calendar section to access calendar-specific options. Next, open Shared Calendars. This is where you can control how your calendar is shared and generate a link that Notion can display. Find the area labeled Publish a Calendar. In the drop-down for Calendar, choose the calendar you want to display inside Notion. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you pick the one that contains the events you want to show. Now select the permission level. Typically, you'll choose something like Can View All Details if you want full event information to show, or Can View When I'm Busy if you'd prefer a more private, availability-only view. After you've selected the permission, click Publish. Outlook will generate two links for you. You'll see an HTML link and an ICS link. For embedding in Notion, use the HTML link. Click the HTML link to highlight it, then choose Copy Link, and confirm by clicking Copy. You now have a shareable, view-only link that Notion can render as an embedded calendar. A quick note: if you're using a work or school account, your organization may restrict publishing. If you don't see the Publish option, you might need admin permission before this will work. With the link copied, go to Notion and create a new page where you want the calendar to live. Click into the page and paste the HTML link you just copied. Notion will recognize it and offer to embed it. Click Embed to confirm. You'll see a loading state while Notion fetches the calendar. This can take a moment depending on your internet speed, so give it a little time and be patient. Once it loads, your Outlook calendar will appear right on the page. Because it's using the published link, it reflects your Outlook schedule, and updates will flow through automatically. If the calendar doesn't display, double-check that you use the HTML link and that your chosen permissions allow it to be viewed. That's it. You've successfully added your Outlook calendar to Notion.